Hey guys, yeah, good morning, good afternoon. Sa mga po gustong mag-aral or maging virtual assistant, I'm offering you guys a complete course which is master class virtual assistant that maraming mga niche ang ituro sa inyo, especially yung mga general virtual assistant, what is virtual assistant, and they will give you also like Shopify, FB ads, and many more. And ito yung page ng top tier virtual assistant. And you can see here, nasa batch 18 actually batch 20 na to. This coming itong October, um, hindi ko lang alam kung what day, but itong uh, day of the month, October, but we're arranging na for batch 20. So, ako po ay isang student din. Ayan o, master class. Ayan siya. Ang fee niya is 1,899, but if you're going to put my name under your sa referral, then you will get 50% discount. Okay, so it's gonna be 998 na lang. Okay, ayan siya oh, ayan siya oh. Mga ito sa page na ito. And top tier virtual assistant and dyan. And then just to prove to you na ako kasi wala talaga akong alam, wala akong ibig sabihin. Mayroon akong experience sa being a virtual assistant, pero dito lumawak yung knowledge ko what VA is all about. Tapos recently lang after that, nag-apply lang, tapos meron GC after your enrollment. May GC sila na they will post hirings and they will guide you actually, especially resume optimization. And siya yung founder and CEO of the top tier. So if you're going to look at it, ayan, kagabi lang yan. Ayan, kagabi lang nangyari yan. So, ayan yan. Yung meron kami kasing free webinar just to give you a little bit of background of what virtual assistant is all about. I'm from batch 14. Enrollees din nila ako, and after that, nagbibigay silang assistant. Actually, na-hired na ako. Ito yon. Pakita ko lang. Ito. So, ito yung onlinejobs.ph ko. Ayan. And then, na-hired na ako ni Andrew. Ayan, na-hired na ako niya. So, and then after that, na-hired din ako sa lead generation specialist. So, ayan yung compensations ko. Ayan. So, ayan. So, part-time. Kumbaga, part-time pwedeng side gig. Ayan, may $5 per hour, 4 hours per day, Monday through Friday. Tapos yung commission niya, ayan. So, maganda yung, isang ano lang yan, isang bagsakan, isang interview, dalawang interview, and then I was get hired. Ayan. Tapos, ayan, yan yung ano niya. Yeah, that's gonna be only for 3 days. So, sobrang worth it talaga, guys. Tapos, ito yung founder and CEO of, yan nga, si Ivy Mendoza. Siya yung founder and CEO and super, super workaholic. Ang dami niya talagang niche. Kahit na CEO and founder siya, ang dami niyang niche na inaano. Sa marketing side naman siya. So, she's creating ClickFunnels. Ang dami talaga. Ayan yung page niya. And then dito yung si Ivy Mendoza, ay Yvonne Mendoza. Ito yung aking mentor and coach. May coach pa dyan, Coach Andrea and Coach Laika. Ayan guys. So if you are going to want to enroll and wanted to be a virtual assistant and nag-enroll sa mga iba't ibang niche, then hit me up with a message so that I will and then you will get 50% discount. Thank you so much.